Good morning, students. So last class we discussed body movements. About body movements we discuss. Yes, this part we discuss till socket pivotal joint. Yes, so we have to start today. Pivotal joint. So pivotal joint, see the joint where our neck joins the head is a pivotal joint. Pivotal joint it allows us to bend our head forward and backward হয় and turn the head to our right or left to try these movements. How are these movements different from those of our arm that can rotate a complete circle in each ball and socket joint? In a pivotal joint, a cylindrical bones rotates in a ring. The cylindrical amar ki joint thake eto rotate hoi thake boli koise. Hinge joint, open and close a door a few times. Observe the hinge of the door carefully. They allow the door to move back and forth. Ar hiyote ki korbo amok back and forth help koribo. Activity 3. Let us look at the kind of movement allowed by a hinge. Make a cylinder with cardboard or thick chart paper as shown in figure 8.5. Attach a small pencil to the cylinder by piercing the cylinder at the center as shown. Make a hollow half cylinder from cardboard such that the rolled up cylinder can fit inside it easily. Inside the hollow half cylinder with the rolled up cylinder sitting inside it allows movement like a hinge. Try to move the rolled up cylinder. How does it move? How is this movement different from what we saw with our constructed ball and socket joints? We saw this kind of movement at the elbow in activity 1. What we have constructed in figure 8.5 is different from a hinge, of course, but it illustrates the direction in which a hinge allows movement. The elbow has a hinge joint that allows only a back and forth movement. Ar ki hoy back or forth agor pichor movement hoy. Can you think of more examples of such joints? Fixed joints. Some joints between bones in our head are different from those we have discussed so far. The bones cannot move at these joints. Such joints are called fixed joints. When you open your mouth wide, you can move your lower jaw away from your head, isn't it? Try to move your upper jaw now. Are you able to move it? There is a joint between the upper jaw and the rest of the head which is a fixed joint. We discuss only some of the joints that connect parts of our body. What gives the different parts of the body their different shapes? If you wanted to make a doll, what will you make first? Perhaps a framework to give the doll shape before making its outer structure, isn't it? All the bones in our body also form a framework to give a shape to our body. This framework is called the skeleton. Skeleton. How do we know that this is the shape of a human skeleton? How do we know the shapes of the different bones in our body? We can have some idea about the shape and number of bones in some parts of our body by feeling them. One way we could know this shape better would be look at X-ray image of the human body. So till here only discuss, other part we discuss next day. So thank you.